I'm going to show you this new fleece interfacing that I found on Amazon, and it is available all around the world. I'll have the links below in the description. This one in particular has a fusible side and a soft, fluffy, fleecy side. So it's made from polyester. It will give me the perfect interfacing to try my hand at quilting, and it's the perfect size to use for placemats. So it's almost 12 inches deep, and it's on a roll of 10 yards, so you can just cut your length. Now, most placemats are 12 by 18 inches. So once I have attached one side with just regular cotton, the back side of my placemat, with the help of my handy steam iron, I can start practicing my quilting on the other, and I don't have to worry about that fabric underneath moving, and I will have that quilting effect as I sew through all the layers. Now, I have made a video about this entire process on my other channel that's called Madcap Hats, and I do show you some of the other things I make, not just hats. I've made doggy bandanas and cotton fabric bags, gift bags, and now my placemat video, full length, is on there too, so you can see how I make all these choices that I'm going to show you. But such good results, and it's really encouraging me to continue to learn more about quilting, which is what I wanted to do, and also helping me use up all these scraps of fabric that I've collected over the years. And all that was left was to put an edge on my placemat, and I do go over that on that full-length video as well. But you can see having one side fusible makes it so easy, and you can just quilt in lines, following the lines of the print on the other side, or you can just put some on with a chalk pencil. And I've been having so much fun. I did applique on this one as well, and it's just great. And I've made them reversible, which this interfacing really helps me to do. This interfacing is from Plantinol, and it's considered a medium weight. So all in all, I really recommend this interfacing. In fact, it comes in two sizes. So the one that's a little bit deeper, this one is about 16.5 inches deep, and again on a 10-yard roll. I'm using in my hat brims now, and look at how nice that turns up. There's no creases. It's just really, really lovely. So I'm going to be switching to this interfacing. I've already washed some things with it too, and it washes up beautifully. And I'll be featuring this wider version in my upcoming videos on our main channel, Madcap Hats. So subscribe to Madcap Hats, our main channel, and this one, of course, as well, if you want to see more sewing product reviews like this one. And just a reminder that you'll find the links for this medium weight fleece interfacing from your Amazon in your own country in the description below, as well as some of the tools that I use to make these placemats. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Tori Cape, Certified Milliner. See you soon.